What's up, Health and Balance fam? My name is Kelsey and I just recently completed the Detox to Flourish 2-week detox program, and I gotta say, I am feeling so good. So I'm here just to kind of share my journey with you guys. So a little background on me. I'm from Denver, Colorado. I'm married. I have a golden retriever. His name's Doc. And I own a personal training studio where I am on my feet all day, every day, training all day long, and I love it so much. So before I started the detox, I feel like timing was so vital for me because, you know, with the state of the world and everything that's going on in the quarantine, I just found myself a little off. You know, I'm usually such an upbeat, positive, high energy person. And I just felt like I was getting to the point where it's super low energy. My mood was a little bit off. I was drinking way more caffeine and way more wine than ever before, which is saying something for me. So I just felt like the universe was telling me, girlfriend, you need to like reassess things. And that's when I found Health and Balance. Starting the detox for me was kind of a no-brainer. Like it sounded awesome and not super complicated, like not a bunch of pills and potions. And I definitely am not somebody who is gonna go for like a juice fast or something like that. Like I need to eat food because I'm moving so much. So this was like, you can eat as much food as you can possibly handle. Only things that you have to cut out are X, Y, and Z. And I was sold. So obviously the first like 24 to 48 hours were pretty rough in the sense that I just had, you know, debilitating headaches. I was super low energy, so tired. But you know, just kind of taking a few extra charcoal pills really helped with my symptoms. But then honestly, after that, you guys, it was smooth sailing. Like I totally thrived during this detox. My energy was higher than ever. I've joked around, which now I realize it's not funny, that I was in adrenal fatigue, and I totally was. Like I would wake up and I was so tired, and then I would hit that afternoon hump and I was so tired. I never understood this concept of like, you wake up and you're fresh and you're ready to go. So when I like detoxed my body from having and relying on caffeine, and instead I gave my body an opportunity to create its own natural energy, oh my gosh, it was such a game changer. So that has been so awesome. Like I said, it's easy to do. There's not a ton of supplements and pills that are just like too overwhelming you can't keep up with. It's very manageable. Health and Balance was so wonderful from day one. It's like they really try to set you up for success, but then they want to watch you fly. So they're not all up in your business all the time. Obviously, if you need help, you can reach out and they're right there with you every step of the way. But I liked kind of figuring it out on my own. So post detox, you guys would be so proud of me. I actually went 3 weeks without caffeine, and I just had my first cup of coffee the other day. And although I loved it, I just realized that I don't necessarily need it. So I'm somewhat still doing the detox. I have had a couple glasses of wine, and those have been so worth it. But I'm just so grateful for this opportunity because it really helped me clean things up. It helped me kind of regain control of my life. And I'm just so grateful for Health and Balance for giving me the opportunity to do so.